Solar heat causes water to evaporate from oceans, rivers, and lakes. Evaporation transforms liquid water into water vapor. Water vapor rises into the atmosphere. Water vapor rises into the atmosphere, where it cools due to decreasing temperature with altitude. As water vapor cools, it condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. These water droplets and ice crystals accumulate around microscopic particles in the air, forming clouds. The collective condensation and accumulation of water vapor results in the visible formation of clouds. Water droplets within clouds collide and coalesce. As water droplets coalesce, they grow larger. When water droplets become too heavy to remain suspended, they fall as precipitation. Precipitation is the process of water falling from clouds to the earth. Precipitation occurs in various forms, including rain, snow, sleet, and hail. The specific form of precipitation depends on atmospheric temperature and conditions. Rain nourishes the earth and sustains life. Surah An-Nur 24:43 describes Allah's control over cloud formation and rainfall. Do you not see that Allah drives the clouds? Then He brings them together. Then He makes them into a mass, and you see the rain emerge from within it. And He sends down from the sky mountains of clouds within which is hail. And He strikes with it whom He wills, and averts it from whom He wills. The verse explains how Allah drives scattered clouds together. Allah then joins these clouds together, forming a heap. Finally, rain emerges from the cloud heap, completing the cycle. Rain provides essential water for plants, animals, and humans. Rain supports agriculture by providing necessary irrigation for crops. Rain is a vital resource for ecosystems, maintaining biodiversity and ecological balance. As a fundamental component of the water cycle, rain is essential for life on Earth. Rain helps cleanse the atmosphere by washing away pollutants and dust particles. This process improves air quality by reducing airborne particulate matter. Improved air quality contributes to a healthier environment and ecosystem. Rain cools the Earth's surface, providing relief from heat. The cooling effect of rain is essential for preventing overheating of the Earth's surface. Maintaining a balanced climate relies on the cooling effect of precipitation. Rainwater is collected for diverse applications, including drinking water, irrigation, and industrial processes. Efficient water management is essential for sustainable development. Sustainable water management practices ensure long-term water availability and environmental protection. Arid regions can undergo a dramatic transformation from barren landscapes to fertile areas following rainfall. Rainfall supports the growth of vegetation, providing sustenance for wildlife in arid environments. This transformation illustrates the life-giving power of rain in sustaining ecosystems in dry climates. The water cycle is a continuous process involving evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation is the process where water changes from a liquid to a gas, water vapor. Condensation occurs when water vapor cools and changes back into liquid form, forming clouds. Precipitation is when water falls back to Earth in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Collection is the process where water gathers in rivers, lakes, oceans, and groundwater, eventually leading back to evaporation. This cycle ensures the constant renewal and distribution of water on Earth. Different cloud types, such as cumulus, stratus, and cirrus, form under varying atmospheric conditions. Cloud formation altitude significantly influences cloud type and characteristics. Each cloud type contributes to distinct weather patterns. Cumulus clouds are characterized by their puffy, cotton-like appearance and flat bases. Stratus clouds typically form a uniform gray layer that covers the entire sky. Cirrus clouds are thin, wispy clouds composed of ice crystals, often appearing high in the atmosphere. Rainwater harvesting is a sustainable practice of collecting and storing rainwater for future use. This method conserves water resources and reduces dependence on traditional water supplies. Collected rainwater can be used for irrigation, household purposes, and even drinking after proper filtration. Extreme weather events, such as floods and droughts, can result from imbalances in the water cycle. Floods occur when excessive rainfall or rapid snowmelt overwhelms drainage systems, leading to widespread inundation. Droughts result from prolonged periods of below-average precipitation, causing water shortages and ecological stress. Understanding the causes and impacts of floods and droughts is crucial for disaster preparedness and mitigation. Climate change is altering precipitation patterns globally. These altered patterns result in more frequent and intense droughts in some regions. Conversely, other areas experience more frequent and intense floods. Addressing climate change is essential for maintaining a stable water cycle. Conserving water requires both individual and collective efforts. Sustainable water practices are essential for ensuring water security for future generations. Water conservation is a shared responsibility.